In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register CRA account for the first time. Registering your CRA, Canada Revenue Agency, account for the first time is a crucial step for anyone who needs to manage taxes, apply for benefits, or access government services online. Whether you're a new taxpayer, a student, or someone moving into Canada's workforce, the process is easier than it might seem if you follow the proper steps and prepare the right information in advance. To begin, you'll want to open your favorite browser. I have Google Chrome open in here. Now, type in CRA account and enter to go to the official CRA website. Go ahead and click on this. Now, navigate to the My Account registration page. This portal is what you'll use to file taxes, check your benefit status, view your RRSP, TFSA limits, and more. You have two main options to register: using a sign-in partner, such as your online banking credentials from participating Canadian banks, or by creating a CRA user ID and password. The sign-in partner method is often faster and simpler for many Canadians since it uses credentials you already trust and avoids creating new passwords. If you choose the CRA login option, you'll need to create a user ID, a secure password, and set up your security questions. From there, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information, including your social insurance number, SIN, date of birth, postal code, and details from a previously filed tax return, usually a line amount from a specific tax year. If you haven't filed a return yet, you may need to contact CRA directly for verification help. Once that's completed, CRA will mail a security code to your registered address. This is an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. It usually takes 5-10 business days to arrive. You won't get full access to all account features until you input this code into your online account, so it's important to wait for it and keep it safe. Once your CRA account is fully activated, you can log in anytime and start exploring services like filing your income tax return, tracking your refund, and other services. Make sure you log out after each session. Keep your login info secure and consider setting up email notifications for updates. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.